Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Shelly's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now these lamps are highly collectible, very sought after, and people really want to have them repaired when they're having issues with them. This unit does not have any animation, so we want to troubleshoot our main PC board that controls the servos for the animation. We also want to troubleshoot the gear cluster pack and the servo. We will be troubleshooting the entire unit while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that there's a main power switch at the back of the base of Mickey, and you always want to make sure that that main power switch is in the off position when plugging in or unplugging the electric to the electrical outlet. We also want to mention that if Mickey's not going to be used for a long period of time, it's a good idea to turn that main power switch off. The electronics associated with these type of lamps are pretty delicate, and they are subject to power surges. We have Mickey plugged into the electrical outlet, and we want to turn the main power switch on. So we'll go ahead and turn the unit on.
What a bright idea!
And we want to give that a second. It's not a good idea to turn this type of lamp on and off too quickly. We go ahead and turn the unit off.
Lights out!
And we'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll give that a second. Turn the unit off.
So long, pal.
Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll go ahead and turn Mickey back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit off.
See you real soon.
And we'll turn Mickey on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool Mickey Mouse animated lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Shelly, and they can enjoy Mickey once again. I'm sure he's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.